A dipstick is one of several measurement devices. Some dipsticks are dipped into a liquid to perform a chemical test or to provide a measure of quantity of the liquid. Since the late 20th century, a flatness/levelness measuring device trademarked dipstick has been used to produce concrete and pavement surface profiles and to help establish profile measurement standards in the concrete floor and paving industries. A testing dipstick is usually made of paper or cardboard and is impregnated with reagents that indicate some feature of the liquid by changing color. In medicine, dipsticks can be used to test for a variety of liquids for the presence of a given substance, known as an analyte. For example, urine dipsticks are used to test urine samples for hemoglobin, nitrite, produced by bacteria in a urinary tract infection, protein, nitrocellulose, glucose, and occasionally urobilinogen or ketones. They are usually brightly colored and extremely rough to touch. Dipsticks can also be used to measure the quantity of liquid in an otherwise inaccessible space, by inserting and removing the stick and then checking the extent of it covered by the liquid. The most familiar example is the oil-level dipstick found on most internal combustion engines. Other kinds of dipsticks are used to measure everything from fuel levels to the amount of beer left in an ale cask, firkin. Dipstick is the trade name of a profiling device manufactured by Face Construction Technologies of Norfolk, Virginia, USA. The instrument is used in 66 countries on 6 continents to measure the flatness and levelness of concrete floor slabs and pavements. The dipstick measures concrete floor slab flatness/levelness in terms of face floor profile numbers, F numbers, a profile measurement system adopted in 1990 by the American Concrete Institute. F-number measurement procedures were established by ASTM standard E1155. The instrument also measures TR34 free movement, FM, TR34 defined movement, DM, gap under sliding unleveled straight edge, gap under rolling straight edge, and DIN 18202. The U.S. Federal Highway Administration, FHWA, and the World Bank, with its International Roughness Index, or IRI, have established measurement procedures using dipstick profiler data. The American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AASHTO, has established its standard R41, most recently published as R41-05, 2010, to manually collect precision profile data utilizing the Face Technologies dipstick. The instrument measures profiles, relative elevation differences, at a rate and accuracy greater than traditional rod and level surveys. Procedures for measuring both longitudinal and transverse profiles are described. The dipstick, with a reported accuracy of 0.01 mm, 0.0004 inches, measures true profiles and is the most widely used and accepted Class 1 profiler for the purposes of calibrating other profilers. Dipstick was used to obtain data that were used as ground truth in FHWA evaluations of the repeatability of IRI values as measured by other profilers and in long-term pavement performance, LTTP, studies conducted by several states. The instrument was similarly used to produce reference measurements by the World Road Association, PRC, in its 1998 international experiment to harmonize longitudinal and transverse profile measurement and reporting procedures. The PIRC experiment was conducted in the US, Japan, Holland, and Germany and included IRI values from airport runways and superhighways to rough unpaved roads. Litmus urine test strip == references ==